Hey, James Bill here. The best way to get more sales. That's what we're going to be talking about here today. I got one tip that's going to really help you to get more leads and sales to your business, guys. So I hope you get some value from this. So let's go ahead and dive right into it. Okay, the best way to get more sales in your business. Guys, what a lot of people are doing is you have your capture page, okay? You have your capture page here. And what they're doing is simply, that's where you get your email. And you put that here, email. And what they're doing is simply sending people directly to the companies. It's sending people to the company's video sales page, right? To make the sale and see that presentation about what you're offering. Okay, and like I say, this is what most entrepreneurs are doing, marketers are doing. They're simply taking people, they get them to their capture page, they get the email, and then they send them directly to the company's sales video. Okay, but I'm going to show you what you need to be doing to get more sales inside of your business, guys. Bear with me here. Okay, this is what you need to be doing. Instead of sending them to the company's video sales page, you need to have a bridge page. Okay, you need to have a bridge page of not the company. You don't want the company here, okay? You want to brand who? You want to brand you. You want to brand yourself, okay? That's the key. That's the ticket. As soon as soon as you get their email and you give them a free offer or whatever, okay? The next thing you want to do, you want to hurry and start engaging with them and let them see your face and let them listen to you so they can get a feel of who you are. And like they say, the sales are made when people know, like, and trust you. So this is the formula, guys. You want to get them from the capture page. Once you get that email, direct them to a bridge page with a simple video. Hey, my name is James Bill. Welcome to my page, or whatever, where I'm going to be showing you tips, strategies, and methods so you can make more money online. And, whatever your message want to be, but around that. And then you want to direct them from there. Then they could go on to carry on to the company's page. Video sales page, okay? And then you let the company go ahead and do the selling and telling. But the key is right here, the bridge page. You must brand yourself, guys. It's so important to let people see who you are. Let them hear you. Let them see you. Let them get to feel you. And they will know, so they will know, like, and trust you. And then they will buy from you, guys. That is the formula to make more sales online. Okay? So I hope you got some value from this, and I hope you take this here and go ahead and apply it in your business. And please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And I also have a free gift for you down below. And hit that bell notification so you'll be notified whenever I create my next video, guys. Enjoy the rest of your day. See you on the next video.